Welcome to PC.Solutions. In this video, we will introduce the effortless way to convert MBOX files and folders. Let's start by downloading PC.'s MBOX converter tool on our machines. Now, go to the Open tab. Software support mini email client and file format, choose as per your requirement. Then select MBOX file option and choose file and choose folder to load MBOX mailboxes in the software panel. As you can see, different folders listed in the software interface on the left. After that, click on that MBOX folder, and emails are listed one by one. Now, tap on the MBOX email that preview you want to see in the software interface and get the view. Tool preview the email content and other information. If that MBOX mail includes attachments, this tool allows you to open, save, and save all in one tap. So, choose as per the requirements. Now, go to the Export tab that lists multiple saving options. An extract option is available to take out email addresses, phone numbers, and attachments from MBOX files. So, let's click on the Export tab and select Gmail to migrate MBOX emails. Then, mark the required folder and unmark the rest. As you can see, there are many options available in the software panel. So let us understand them, and then you decide whether to enable this option. The first one is to create empty folders. If you enable this feature, then the target folder where the output file is saved gets automatically opened after the conversion. Next is an include email header. We recommend you to disable this option to remove headers from your output data to reduce output file size. The last one is appended to default folders. This option is basically for the mapping of the folders such as inbox to inbox, sent to sent and more. It allows user to insert emails into default mail folders. Now, enter the name of the folder that you want to create in Gmail account containing MBOX emails and backup folder name tab. In the backup email address, fill the email address of the Gmail account and then enter the password. After all, click on the Save button to start the process of MBOX to Gmail migration. After some time, a complete conversion message pop-ups on your screen as shown in the video. Once the task gets completed, you get a successful message. Click on the OK button, click on the Open Gmail button and see the end results with all elements maintained. As you can see, there is a folder named as exported. Click on it and go to mailboxes. Now, you get to see all the emails. Now, you will see the resultant folder. Click on it and see the emails in HTML format.